did what he said he'd do, finish Raahul quickly.
Wow, what a right hand from Ahmad Mujtbha. Took 2.5 years out and barely lasted a minute in this matchup. Check out this right hand landed by Ahmad Mujtbha. Only steps in. You can see Raahul was swinging wildly, and then Ahmad Mujtbha just tucks the chin and lets that right hand fly like he's thrown a bowling ball into the third row. Just a hammer.
He's Pakistani. It's a cricket ball, Dragon. It's a cricket ball. Let's go to topple out.
Ladies and gentlemen, your referee has called a stop to this contest for your winner by way of knockout, Ahmad Mujtbha.
One big quick punch, Wazzy Makram style to the